In humans, the trapezius muscle has its origin on the occipital bone and the spinous processes of vertebrae, and inserts onto the spine of the scapula and clavicle. And when it contracts, it retracts the scapula and extends the neck. The sternocleidomastoid has its origin on the sternum and clavicle and inserts onto the mastoid process of the temporal bone, and its action is to flex and rotate the neck. These muscles in humans are actually derived from ancestral vertebrate muscles which moved the gill arches in fish. In sharks, and even in more primitive chordates such as lancelets, there is a muscle which elevates the bronchial bar. It is a bronchial bar levator. It is known as the cucullaris, but it is the homologue of the trapezius in tetrapods. Unlike most muscles, it is derived from neural crest cells near the head as opposed to mesoderm and myotomes. In early tetrapods, this muscle attached to the pectoral girdle and thus could move the pectoral girdle. Its shape is often a thin strap-like muscle in tetrapods as diverse as salamanders and birds, such as the pigeon and chicken depicted here. The trapezius expanded in mammals, as is seen in this opossum, and is often split into three separate muscles: the clavotrapezius, the acromiotrapezius, and the spinotrapezius. One can observe these three separate muscles which compose the human trapezius in the cat, in the goat, in the sheep, in the cow, and in the pig. The sternocleidomastoid is also derived from ancestral muscles which moved the bronchial bars. In cats, there are two separate muscles, the sternomastoid and cleidomastoid. In humans and this monkey, it is a single muscle, the sternocleidomastoid.